Okay, so this crazy ass dog of ours has decided to get into the avocado habanero dip. And he seems to like it. Sort of. I feel so sorry for him. He's going to regret this tomorrow. Chico, look up at me.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's always that first.
Is it good?
Chico.
That's hot stuff, too.
Yeah, it is. Chico, look at Mama.
Come on, man, let's go.
This is the weirdest dog. Chico, look at Mama.
He's busy. God damn, I know what that. I'm gonna get some ice cream and doesn't.
Yeah, well, he's gonna be wanting some ice cream tomorrow, I guarantee you.
Not for me.
This is awesome documentary.
Chico, look at Mama. Okay, that's enough. That's enough now. Chico. Chico, look at Mama. Oh. You want more? This dog is really bizarre.
That where I can attach that to the email?
Chico, look at look. Got the little heat going on. Hey, Chico. Poor baby.
We'll be conducting our own